So now you can see that we have this mountain range behind us. You guys can build it out as much as you want, and it sort of looks more interesting than it did before. However, now the issue is whenever I accidentally misclick a little bit to the left, I start selecting mountains. And even worse is if I start dragging a fence in maybe, and if I start vertex snapping it, it's going to start vertex snapping to all of the mountains in the background, which is not helpful at all. So there's a way we can fix this, and it's built into Unity as well. So what we do, oh man, got some weird graphical glitches right now. That's okay. So what we're going to do is zoom out and just try to snag all these mountains below it. I have to give a nice drag. So you can snag all the mountains just by drag selecting. You might need to press Alt or Option to sort of get your camera at a good angle to drag select them. But after you've done that, you go to the inspector. And we sort of touched on tags earlier, but we never touched on layers. So we have layers right here. We have transparent, ignore, raycast, water, UI. That's all fine. I'm actually going to add a layer to our layers. I'm going to add a layer, and I'm going to go down to user layer 8 and call that background, or whatever you guys like. Once we've done that, unfortunately, it actually deselects everything we've done. A little bit frustrating, but that's okay. Nothing we can't fix. Nothing we can't fix. So if you select everything again, click on layer, and then hit background, it's going to say, do you want to set everything and all the children to this? Yep, I do. That's perfect for me, actually. So now, when I'm here, it's all in the background layer. How does that help us? So the way it helps us is up at the top of Unity, right here, there's this layers thing. If you click on it, you can see you have all the layers that are currently there, and there's background, the one that we just made. So we can, there's this little eye next to it. If you click on it, everything disappears, and it is now gone. But how gone is it really? If we press play, we'll see. Well, it's still there in the game, so it's obviously still there and working, so when we ship this to people, they'll be able to see it. But for us, the level designers or the programmers or everything, we don't really want to see this all the time. It's in the background and it serves this function great, but we don't always want to see it. So using layers like this is a great way to hide away portions of your design or your level that you think are finished for now, and this tends to be a way that you can do it. It's not the best, but it's a way that you can do it.